today we're going to be looking at a topic that is far overdue, and it's called the white person syndrome. You know, it's a topic that can be challenging sometimes, but it's a topic that I think that we really need to look at, we need to talk about.
Because one of the things we talk about in inclusion, we say make space, don't take space. However, you know, when we look at the numbers of ethnic minorities, you know, there's not enough to take those spaces if, you know, so we do still need, I mean, I say like the civil rights movement worked because black, white, green, blue, yellow, everybody came together to make it work. So I argue that I didn't create racism, so it's your job to fix it, right?
But very, very important to have these kinds of conversations because if you look at where Ireland is going, sometimes I really get scared, you know. We all know that Ireland is becoming more diverse, and with that comes a lot of pushback from some people who feel like people are invading their land. And, you know, we've seen that with the series of protests we've had in the past few months. And, you know, there's this anti-migrant sentiment. And I think it stems from the fact that a lot of people don't understand where some of these migrants are coming from. They don't understand why they're here. They don't understand, you know, what they're here for. And there is a gap in terms of communication between, you know, the traditional white Irish people and others who are here. Because a lot of people feel like, you know, you come into Ireland, you're coming to just take away. But if you understand people, you understand their cultures, you understand, you know, that they are actually coming here to make a living, it will help you. So I think a lot of people need some sort of education. We need to talk to ourselves more. That's lacking right now. So because if we allow the quiet few to keep talking, because I believe those people who are who have some of this syndrome or who are anti-migrants, for example, they're few, but they're very loud. So we have to find a way to quieten them, and that comes from education, that comes from conversations.